Hey B Block, can you see me? I'm right down here. I really want to make sure that today you guys are following my directions. So I made a movie just for you. I want you to listen and pay attention to me. Make sure you guys do what you need to. So first things first, make sure you copy down the homework over there. I want you to make sure that your timeline is completed for next class. Every event, all 17, all 8 illustrations completely drawn. You guys do that work. Get it done. If you focus today in class, you should get most of it finished and just have to finish your drawings for homework. After you copy down homework, put away your agenda and then get out your journal. I'd like you to open it up and put today's date up there. And then I want you to copy this quote that's right back there. Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things that you thought you couldn't. So when you first joined me at the beginning of the year, first quarter, there were a lot of things you didn't know you could do. Like you didn't know about coordinates and you didn't know about timelines. Mapping skills were pretty new. And you guys have learned about how to study and get ready for quizzes, using Quizlet, making flashcards, etc. So today I want you to copy down the quote, and underneath that I want you to draw a line, and then I want you to list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 things are 5 growth experiences that you remember from my class first quarter. So I'm going to push pause on my computer and I'm going to write down my 5 things. You write down yours. Then push play and I'll tell you what to do next. Hey, good job. I take it you're all done with your 5 reflections. Now I want you to do 1, 2, and 3. I want you to come up with 3 goals that you have for second quarter. So if you're going to have a goal of getting all your homework done and on time, how are you going to do that? Not just what you want to do, but how you're going to achieve it. So I want you to come up with 3 goals. Maybe it's studying for quizzes and you want to start ahead of time. So maybe you look at quizzes or you go back and highlight all of your journal notes that are important for the quiz. Maybe you create a study guide on your own. I want you to come up with 3 goals for this quarter and I want you to write them in your journal. Let me know when you're done. Push play and we'll go on. All right, guys, good? All right, let's go on. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go over to the substitute and there should be a pile of papers on my desk. These are lined, colored sheets of paper like this. See it? Blue, green. Oh, there's no blue left. Sorry, everybody's used those. There's green, pink, and yellow. So you're going to take one of those sheets of paper and you're going to write me a letter. So this letter is being collected. I am reading it. It's between you and me, nobody else. And I want you to write a reflection letter about your mask project. So I want you to go up to the top on the first line and I want you to put the date. So today's date is November 7th, it's 2018. And then I want you to go to the first line and write, Dear Mrs. Connolly. So make sure you spell my name right, C-O-N-N-E-L-L-Y. Then to put a comma, skip one line and indent your first paragraph. So your letter to me today is going to be about your mask project. I want you to address a couple of different things. I want you to tell me who your project was about, who you worked with, how that was having a partner, pros, cons, what did you learn about time management? How was it making that mask? Did you put the paper mache over your face or did you use a bowl or did you use a balloon? I want to know about your process. I would also like to know if you enjoyed it, if you felt like you did more work than your partners and how all of that went with balance, etc. When you're finished, you need to make sure you sign it. So you can put from, comma, your name or your favorite student, comma, and then your first and last name. But you need to write almost a complete page. Most of the letters I've gotten were really great. 1 to 2 pages, front and back. Make sure that at the very bottom of your paper that you put your core. Can you see right here they put core D? You're not core D, so put core B in a circle at the bottom. And when you're finished, you're going to turn that into the sub. I want those collected today. And then you're going to get out your stuff for your timeline. So you have a paper that looks like this from last class, except for Ollie, you left yours here. So there's some extra ones that are in the pockets on the back of the door, behind the entry door, and you can grab one. There's some there. If you've lost yours, then you can go grab one too. There's extra white sheets if you make a mistake. They're on the round table right in front of my desk by the windows. And I want you to work on your timeline today. I expect you to get all 17 events written into your timeline. I want you to use colored pencils for your color bars. So events that are over a period of time. In particular, number 6, number 11, and number 16 should all have color bars. You pick the color, make sure the description is there. After you have the 17 events in, I want you to use the rest of the white space to start those 8 illustrations of 8 events that you pick you want to illustrate. This is due next class, so I don't get to see you guys today. Tomorrow I don't get to see you because we have EEA, because we have an assembly. Make sure you bring a good book to read. But then I will get to see you guys, I think on, do I get to see you Friday? Maybe. I hope so. If I don't, then I'll see you on Monday. But your timeline is supposed to be done by then. Make sure you bring it. It's all complete. And be good today. I want you working independently. I want a great report. I want to hear about those good leaders. Sunshine, you're on that. Connor, great work. Isha, help this up. Kyle, Aaron, who else? Jack. You guys, I want all great behavior, ladies and gents. I want to hear a good report. Have a great class. I look forward to seeing you. I hope you like the video I made just for you. You're on it. Be the best you can be. Thanks. Bye.